Some medical issues that might pop up later as a result of a bike and car collision are typically the concussion type or traumatic brain injuries that can occur that might not seem apparent at the time of the collision, but over the next days and weeks, you'll start to experience increasing headaches, loss of dizziness, maybe even loss of consciousness. So it's important to get follow-up treatment and to get the proper diagnosis to ensure that if you suffered a brain injury or traumatic brain injury as a result of your bike being hit by a car, that it's properly documented and the insurance company won't be able to deny that was caused by the collision of their insured. If you're involved in a car collision while riding your bike, give our office a call. We'd love to help.